Hey guys, let's go thrifting at this sweet little store. We got our Fix Your Ponytail and Try Again sweatshirt and our pink shoes on. They had a little tiny bit of Christmas out. It was like a lot of bigger stuff. They had some beautiful furniture. I love this table, $250 worth every cent. Some super cute primitive looking ghosts and pumpkins. I love the miniatures this year. This little guy had a chip, but he was precious. I almost bought these two. They're so cute. I love the handles on this pot here, this casserole dish, you know, that thing. And I love these little bunny dishes. They did all their dishes by sets, well, all the ones that had more than one piece, which I loved as well. It was simple and easy. I like this clear container, and I forgot to go back and get it. It was $6. Probably shouldn't have. These rusty ornaments, a few of these came home with me. I'll show them at the end up close. They had just all kinds of sweet little goodies. I liked this book. It was kind of weird. I thought it was real at first, but I don't think it was. It had some sort of lacquer on it. They had some lovebirds. I am obsessed with anything metal right now. I don't know why. Cute pictures. This didn't have a price. I was going to take it up front, but then my hands got full and I forgot about it. Shocker. Some barn quilt coasters. Guys, this set was $6 for 13 pieces. $6! I'm super proud of it. Then they had this etched mail sorter. I really love the wood in that. I thought this duck was beautiful. My hands were full, so I couldn't see how much it was. But I was just kind of peeking and looking. These were huge, like ball mason jars. They were $5 each. And they were beautiful. They had all kinds of pretty stuff. It looks like somebody dropped off their entire knickknack collection. I loved this. This was super expensive. I think it was $36, and I meant to Google image search it, and I never did. That glass candlestick holder comes home with us. They had a couple things in their crafting section, some pretty lock boxes. I loved their lamp selection. I could have every one of these lamps in my home, especially this one. This is my favorite, and I thought these were kind of cute too. They had books for $1, so I got the ones that I could take off the plastic. I loved this red like crystal bowl. It was a beautiful set. And then here's what we got, guys. So we got some velvet ribbon, we got a bigger star and a smaller star, those rusty ornaments. They have bows at the top, and we got the tree. And then we got that beautiful candlestick holder. I'm going to just put it up in my house, not on my display. And then I've got the 8-piece, why was I holding up 8? Oh, $8. 8 bowls, guys. 8 bowls. This was a 13-piece total set for $6. It was a great deal. I shouldn't have held up 8. That just confused me. And then we got some books. We're just taking the covers off the books. I'm going to use them for staging and decorating. This one had a sweet little note in it, you guys, from 2004. So I had to get that one. So total, I spent $22.34. My budget was $20, but I have no regrets. Thank you for coming along thrifting with me, and we'll see you next time.